Hello, my viewers. I am Indrajit Parui again in front of you in Parui Academy. Now the time is just 8 p.m. In the previous video, I discussed about the paint, just beginning of the paint, how we open the paint, what is paint, and the many toolbars or the tools, drawing tools by applying which we can draw variety types of paint. Now you watch the video properly. Here I step by step, and it basically, I hope it basically helpful all the children in the class of, in between the class of 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 who first time starting learning computer. It's very helpful those students, those children who first time starting their computer journey. So look at the video without skipping the video, watch the full video, and one request, if you like it, you must share it to your friends. Please watch the video without skipping it. And all the parents also, they can also watch this. If they watch this, and if you have a computer in your home, I think without going to any center, they learn the paint in home without any help, just seeing my video. All of you take care of himself or yourself. We again meet at 8 p.m. in Parui Academy. I am Indrajit Parui in front of you.